What's up YouTube? Today or tonight we're gonna be working on a 2012 BMW X5 X-Drive 50 with the N63 engine in it. '86-027. This is what you're gonna need for the oil change. 5W30 Castro Edge. Now the filter was a filter that I bought in Advanced Auto. So what you're gonna need is a ratchet, your extension, your 86 millimeter oil filter wrench, and a T50. Let me see, T50. Yeah, T50 Torx socket. So that's where your oil filter goes, and this is the plug. So that copper washer you're gonna replace, which comes with the oil filter. It's your oil filter, so that'll be it right there. This one right here, this one is for the oil filter housing. So we're gonna replace this one first, so that we can put it back in and then replace the filter itself. So I'm gonna grab this one, place it just like that. Now we're about to pour the oil in. All right, this is to reset the engine maintenance light. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna insert the key. That'll come on without your foot on the brake pedal. Hit it once, then you're gonna wait for the lights to stay steady. All the lights will come on, then you're gonna wait to whichever ones are gonna stay on to stay steady. These are a bunch of issues that I have with my truck. So you're gonna get to where it says the time and the temperature. Press and hold here. Yeah, that's the battery. Okay, there you go. Then you're gonna scroll. That's coolant. Something else. Oil, there you go. Boom. So you're just gonna press and hold. Then it's gonna say reset. And then press and hold again. Then it's gonna reset on its own. And that's it. And this is how you change the oil on a 2012 BMW X5. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.